Hi, you guys. How are you? Just want to check in because I like to do that. So here we are. We're getting to the bitter end, or the great end, not the bitter end, the sweet end. I don't know. Whatever. It's Monday. Anyways, okay. So you got some stuff here about gun control. I put some stuff up, and then Kyle hooked you up with some provocative questions to get you thinking about this stuff. And so I want to make sure everybody's doing their thing. I just did last week's posts. I graded them, and we're 9 for 9 last week. So you guys are on fire. You're on fire. So don't stop your streak. It's really good. Keep posting, keep doing all that. I mean, I know you have until Sunday, but if you look at this stuff first, then it makes more sense when Kyle has anything he wants to say to y'all, whatever. But I also want to spend a bit of time on junk food. So by tomorrow night at midnight, each of the pairs is going to upload the, your draft, right? So I'm going to go up here. We're all together now. We're all together. See, we're all together. We're going to assignments. We're going to look here. We're going to look here. Pa-pow. There it is. Junk food news submission. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to not have a rubric because you don't need one. And then I'm not a student, so it's not going to let me upload, but you're going to upload. So upload that guy. I'll print him out, and then on Thursday we'll do a working editing like jam and get it all good to go so I can send it to the project. And I think that's all. Don't forget Chicago EndNotes. Just look at the chapter in the book because it does exactly the formatting that you're supposed to be doing. So look at the intro, read how the sections go because each of you gets a section, right? And you can be kind of snarky, you can be kind of clever, you can be kind of sarcastic. So doesn't have to be very serious writing. This is more like, make fun of this because it's worthy of making fun of, right? So that's that. And I'm really looking forward to getting that done and sent to the project because I think it's a pretty brilliant thing that we get to be a part of that. And then let's see what else. I think that's all. I was listening to the news this morning, listening to Democracy Now!, and they were mentioning gun control, and they were mentioning that Donald Trump was giving a speech to some gun people, I think, and was talking about how in England they don't carry guns but they carry knives, and so there's blood everywhere all over the streets and it's like a horror movie. Like, that's what he said. Like, he literally said that. And then he said in France, because there's too many restrictions on guns, all the people that died in a French shooting, that's why. And then he did this thing where he was like, bang, and then he waited and some sort of weird theatric thing. But anyways, it was very inappropriate, very embarrassing, and just kind of a symptom of our crazy culture. So I'm personally excited about the student movement and the ways in which the people are speaking out about how bad our gun policies are. So I'm excited to see what happens. And yeah, so let's have a conversation about it. All right, I will see you on Thursday, and I'll see you on the forum before that. Take care. Oh, and if you haven't checked in with your junk food partner in a while, it's now a good idea to do so. Because, just saying. Kind of think you all have been doing your job, though, so I don't have to hate on you. All right, see ya.